Hello friends, today we are going to create an experiment to check why the earth is in oval shape. So for that, let's place the motor under the base and connect the motor with the battery. To create the model of earth, let's place the straw in vertical position to the motor, and then let's create a circular form using this ribbon so that it will replicate the shape of earth. You can see it clearly that the shape is in circle, but once the motor tries to rotate, then the shape will become oval. The same is happening in the earth. This is due to the centrifugal force which pulls from the center towards the outside, so that the shape becomes spherical during the rotation. Thanks for watching.